How to change your username on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are figuring out on how to change your username and where to start from on Instagram, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the straightforward steps to update your username on Instagram. First and foremost, open up Instagram application on your mobile device. At the very bottom, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land on your Instagram profile page. Tap on hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Tap on account center. Over here, select profiles. Select profile in which you want to change your username. If you have multiple profiles, select the relevant one. Right here, tap on username and you can edit and change it. Keep in mind that changing your username will also change your Instagram account address. And there you have it. You have successfully learned the simple process to change your username on Instagram. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.